Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, let's take a look at the euro currency again. As you can see, on Monday market has shown really small price action. That was some sort of the reaction of the recent plunge down, since market needs some pause to reassess the overall situation, what to do next. Well, I suggest you have read our weekly research, so to understand what is really going on the high time frames charts, on the monthly, on the weekly. And in general, the situation suggests some deeper continuation in the medium-term perspective on the euro currency to the downside. The same we now could see on the Great British Pound, but meantime, as this is the video daily update, so in today's trading session we probably should be focused first on this support area, that 137.35, that includes the FIB support, the 50% support for the whole thrust up, and monthly pivot support 1. So that will be not bad support area. So guys, if you scalp traders, you trade on the intraday charts, you could use this area for searching for taking the scalp long position, because market could start the bounce up, the retracement after this thrust down from this plunge right from this area. If you trade on the daily, you should have the bearish context, and that will be an area where market could start retracement up, that you in turn could try to use for possible entry on the short side of the market at the final point of this retracement. That's why this possible bounce from this support looks very important for us. Meantime, as you can see on the daily time frame chart, market stands below the monthly pivot point and below the weekly pivot point as well, as you will see a bit later. Thus we have a bearish sentiment. This tells us that we should use this possible rally, short-term rally, for a possible entry on the short side of the market, because market behavior suggests right now the possible downward continuation. We don't know how deep this continuation could be, but although we have pointed some targets in our weekly research when we have discussed the bearish grabber on the weekly time frame chart and so on, but the fact that market could really show the downward action now looks very probable. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we see that current thrust down could be the very good context for the possible Judd Napoli directional trades, and particularly these directional patterns from the Judd Napoli framework could trigger this upward retracement. Precisely speaking, as you can see, thrust down, close above this green line, that is 3x3 moving average, close below. When the market will show the close above it, that will be a confirmation bar, and that will give us the double repo buy pattern that could trigger the upward action. As the target of this double repo, so if you would like to trade it on the long side of the market, you would like to take the long position here, it's better to use as the target this area, because that is the weekly pivot point that hasn't been tested yet. That is also nearest 3.8 FIB resistance, 138.40 area. And guys, here is also monthly pivot point, so that will be really significant resistance cluster, and I will not be surprised if the retracement up will finish somewhere in this area. At least this is very strong area that has the chances to become the suitable area for the possible downward reversal and the possible final point of their current upward retracement. At the same time, I can't exclude the possibility that market could show shy downward continuation, shy leg down before the real upward retracement will start. There are two reasons for that. The first reason is that support stands slightly lower than the currently market stands. So you can see this 137.35, or market stands 137.60, so 25 pips lower. And the second, if you take a look, so market hasn't quite reached the support yet, And if you take a look at the hourly time frame chart, you'll see that market could form here the butterfly. Butterfly has the 127 extension right at the 137.35 approximately, as you can see. So it's very probable. And take a look at the price action. So you can see that trend has shifted bullish by the MACD predictor, but price action stands flat. That is some sort of the bearish dynamic pressure that suggests some spike down, clear out the lows, okay, and possible reversal only after that this will happen. So you can see that area around 50% FIB support and area around monthly pivot support one looks very interesting, since that is 3 different clusters of support: pivots, FIB level, and harmonic pattern. Okay, appearing of the deep retracement down here, it will be the positive sign for the possible double repo, because as I said a million times, I have explained this moment, when the market forms the new low, the deeper bottom, second bottom of the double repo, that involves the breakout traders in taking the short position, because market in fact shows the breakout of these lows. But when they become trapped in the wrong direction and the market returns right back up based on this pattern, okay, their stops triggered by the market, and that gives more acceleration to the market to the upside. That's why the appearing of the slightly lower second bottom of the double repo is the positive sign for the double repo pattern. And that is the development that I will watch for today's trading session. So guys, that's been said, watch for 137.35 support. And the first stage of our today's trading plan is the expecting of the reaching this area. If you're a scalp trader, you could try to take the scalp long position. Use as the target this area. It's around 138.40 area approximately. If you're trading on the daily time frame chart, do nothing, watch for retracement. We'll approach to this area and then watch for the possible reversal patterns in this area on the lower time frame charts that could let us to take the short position in a continuation on the daily time frame chart. That is, shortly speaking, our trading plan for today.